Clockify Demo, how to track time with Clockify step-by-step tutorial. Hi there you guys, welcome to another video, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can track time using Clockify. For those of you who are not aware, what is a time tracker? A time tracker is an online tool used to keep records of hours. It helps measure employees' working time and gives an insight into how much time was spent on different tasks, projects, and clients. Now, a good time tracker app comes along with additional features such as hourly wages or breaks for lunch. Customer user information can also be gathered through the time tracking software to help improve online traffic and business profitability. Now, time trackers are primarily used by freelancers and international collaborative projects to help organize and consolidate efforts made towards completing a designated tasks. Now, how can you track time? Now, tracking time is really simple with online solutions like this demo. This is only one, but for this, we're going to be using Clockify because it's super free and you don't even have to pay a dime. All right, so now you have here the dashboard. Once you've created your account and once you've logged in, this is what you'll see on your dashboard. And let's talk about what's here on the left sidebar of your screen. You have a timesheet, a time tracker. You also have a calendar. You have the dashboard. You have reports, which has summary, detailed, or weekly shared. You also have the manage part, which has projects, team, client, tags, and of course the settings tab where you can set up your settings. Now, if you already have like a existing project, you can go ahead and search it here. And if you want, you can also find it here. But since we haven't created one and we're just starting out, let's click on create new project right here. And once you click that, you now have to enter your project name. Now I'm going to go with, video or inspirational videos, something like that. And I'm going to select a client. No clients yet. Start typing to create one. I might just add in, Le Camp, maybe like a camping organization. So what it says here, it says Control plus Enter. All right, there you go. So template, you can choose to, use template, but you'll have to upgrade to their plans, which leads me to the next part of the video. Let's try and check out what they have. The basic, standard, pro, and enterprise. Okay, it's for the basic, it's $4.99. For the standard, it's $6.99. For the pro, it's $9.99, and enterprise, it's $14.99. Basically 5, 7, 10, 15. Okay. This is a free trial. Wow, I was wrong, you guys. It's not totally free. You'll just have to pay like $5 a month. And what do you get for this? Add time for others, add time and pages, time audit, required fields, project templates, bulk edit, and so much more. And of course, standard, pro, and enterprise, they offer a lot more services. It keeps going on and on and on, just like that. All right. So now, let's go back to the create a project page. Sorry, let's do that again. Inspirational videos. Okay, select client, the camp, template. Let's create from scratch. We can do that. Okay, so it's gonna be for public, right? Okay, so now we have what we created here. The project that we have created, it's already here. Now, once you click on, or once you're done creating your project, you're just gonna go ahead and click it. Oh yeah, and what you want to do next is to toggle this on if it's non-billable or not, and you can toggle this on if you want to add or find tags, right? But basically, you just want to toggle this on because it's billable. Now, let's start. There you go. Now, once you're tracking your time, it's already here. Now, you can start to work with this project on your own. So, it's billable. and you can choose to stop it. There you go. And once you stop it, you can see here a summary of the total time that you've worked for this project. You can add a description here, and you can see that it's billable 7:26 is 26, 17 seconds, right? What you can do is to play it back, and you can also stop it if you want to. Just be clicking stop, and you can duplicate this, or you can also delete it if you want to. Okay, so that's how you can track time on Clockify. So now, what else do we have here? We also have the timesheet. Now, as you can see here, this will show up all the timesheet that you've done with different projects. Like, for example, this one. Now, if you create another project, it will show up here. This one is useful because you can see an overview of how long you've worked for the entire week. Now, this tracks your time. Now, because, international clients, international people working together, they really do not have the same time zone. So, time trackers like Clockify can be really efficient and can be really helpful when they are working. All right. So what else? They also have the calendar. Now, the calendar is, like a project management app we see. You can input here, the tasks that should be done. You can select the project that the tasks is needed, and you can set the time and date, how many hours it should be and stuff like that. And you can click add if you're done setting up the details, or you can just cancel. Okay, we also have here the dashboard, you guys. So now your dashboard shows you an overview of the things that you do, your tasks, the time that you spent working in graph. So you can have like a visual representation of, how much you've worked for a week. This is useful for when you are trying to present something, for when you are the person who, like when you're the boss maybe, or something like that. Maybe you can just print out something like this to explain the compensation that your talent is about to receive. Yeah, or stuff like that. Next, we also have your reports, which is summary. Basically, it's just like the dashboard, a detailed report, weekly report, or shared reports. And now the manage tab, we can manage the projects here, team, client, tags, and settings. Now let's check out what we can change here on settings. We can check out here the general, which is our profile, where, the information about us, about the work that we do, and workspace billable rate. This is you can change it. And what is the new billable rate? It's up to you how much, or it's up to you what value you need to input. And if you're done, just hit on save. Or since we haven't done any changes, let me click on cancel. So basically that's it, you guys. That's how you can use Clockify. Now, I hope this video has been helpful. Let me know if I missed anything out down in the comments below. But that's it for this video. See you again on the next one. Peace out.